Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the array and pointer in C++. So yes, let us share my laptop screen. Yes, and fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here, Turbo C++. I double click and take some process. And yes, now is open. Alt F file menu and taking new file. And here our goal array and pointer, how it's works. So in C++, so this pointer without array and array without pointer, that is a some not perfect understand both concepts. So array is a collection of similar data type element. You can that is a derived data type, and pointer is also derived data type. Pointers can store the other variable address. So how they work to each other. Yes, so internal memory pointer work array and array work as a pointer. So close concept, array without pointer and pointer without array. That is a not perfectly we have to understand both concept. So yes, in C++, yes. So here I take the iostream.h and then our so here on your yes, and then you can take void main. So simple first type, not a class we have to use. Yes, here first integer, yes, and then we can also take the new and delete, but dynamic allocation. Here simple we have to print first 1D array. So yes, taking the first our message. So here enter one dimensional array elements. Yes, so you have to know because out of the for loop you can give the message. Otherwise, all time that message is appear. So here I equal to 0, I less than n. Yes, we can also take the new and delete dynamic allocation. Okay, so let us check first the technique how to print with index and then. So here x, yes, and then subscript and then print I and then again double quote and then same like our C language we have to printf and scanf function. So C in here and x of I, yes. So that is a scanning, and now I first print one dimensional array. So array with pointer and array. So close concept is there to each other. So array work is a pointer in internal memory and pointer work as a array in internal memory. So yes, that is a yes. Here I remove this enter word. Yes, so yes, 1D array elements are yes, and then here I press one statement. So you have to know very well. Don't require any press. So I just print, and here we can provide also and l. Okay, new line. So that print, yes, let us check. I first save this file. So 1D array and that we can pointer, yes, pointer and 1D array, both we have to concept combine. Okay, so save C++ file and compile, yes, no error, exe file is generated. And now let us first take, so once I give the, yes, so that is a print perfectly. That is a static array because we have only value scan, but element of subscript that is known as a subscript. Now we can define, yes, you have to know very well, that is a pointer. So pointer, yes, p, and here first we have to print. There is a 9 technique, different type of like. So you have to know very well here pointer how it's work. Asterisk x plus I. So that is a internal. I prove that array and pointer is a internal that work pointer. So x is a or first 0 byte address and plus I. So that asterisk means that value. So x is a refer the address of that value. So yes, that is technique. So let us check that print or not perfectly. So yes, I give the same value. So for your the simplicity, yes. So 2 time print. Yes, 1 2. So that is combined. So like 11 12 that. But here we can provide one blank. So in between. So here yes, just blank one. Okay, and let us check that second technique. So there are so many techniques. Yes, array and pointer close concept. Yes, now 2 time element is print perfectly. And now that is a technique. So you look, that is a x of I, expand of the that value. So here that is a asterisk and x plus I. So address you can that print. I just second technique means third. So here again operator, and then we can plus before or after. So that is a like I in outside and subscript give the x. So that is a same meaning. Let us check that print perfectly. So that is a third technique. We can print our same element. Yes, let us check. Yes, that is no any error. So what is this? I you have to out of an x in, because that is a full form. So before or after plus sign is there, no any error is there. So let us take that technique. I again print, and what is this? So asterisk, then parenthesis, first I and plus and x. So that is a full form of this technique. So I is outside and x in inside, name of array. Array name is a store the address of that array. So yes, first element of address of that element. So yes, that is the same. Yes. So 4 times same element is a printed. So 1D array and pointer concept, 4 time print. Yes. So yes, now what to do? So here I in between, here I assign p equal to x, because we have to say x array name itself store the address of array. Okay, so here we can also, there is both statement is same. I write like x of I or p equal to ampersand x of 0. So that is a same first byte element, and array name itself is a first byte array. Array name is store the first element address at array starting. So that is the same. So here now 4 again new technique is appear. So total 9 technique is you have to print in 1D array. So here like now I can expand. So here I give the one blank, and then p of I, because p and x is completely same, because we can assign the address of x. So that is also refer the same element, and let us check, that is a fifth technique. Yes. So pi of n, same that element is print, no any error. Let us look at that. Okay. So that is a now same explanation again. So I give the blank, and our technique asterisk sign, yes, parenthesis, then p plus I, because that is a pointer. So x of I, here we can print that same technique. So here we can also, that is a x of I. So here we can p of I. So we can also plus I. So that is a sixth technique. Yes, let us check. So one by one we can print. Yes, so I give some two. That is a, so I give mistakenly, but that no problem. 2-digit number. So same. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 technique we have to find out. And same again. We can plus before or after. No any problem. So let us check again. So here I give the again. Uh, I is in outside, and subscript we can define the P. So that is a seventh technique. Yes, so let us check one by one. So yes, I print now 4 and 5. Yes, so that is a print like 7 technique now, and less. So here I again in between one blank, and then I print like our asterisk parenthesis and I plus P. Yes, that is a 8 technique. I give the previously 9 technique is there. So here what is a 9? So yes, I think that printed, yes, 9. So 7, 4 and 8. But how the 9? 9 means pointer itself, but we cannot combine the pointer in here. Like we can take just because that is a all are disturbed. So here I just print last technique, and that we cannot take in this for loop because all are disturbed otherwise. So here P and plus plus, okay, and then C out, we can print uh, to one blank, and then asterisk P, that is a pointer, you have to know very well. So that is a print. And if you print the subscript, so here P and bracket, and then here print I, and then uh, again double quote and bracket, and then complete. Yes, so that is index also print. Okay, so let us take, yes, compile, no error. Let us check. Yes, so that is perfectly. So yes, we can provide the /n means and l here is. So all are perfectly print. Yes, let us check. So that is a pointer and array. Yes, so 9 technique is there. Okay. So I think very interesting for you, very important logic. Yes, here array and pointer. So now write this program to your node where that pointer store the address, and we can take 8 technique to here, and pointer itself is a outside of, because that all are disturb other. So you can also testing to here print out, but that disturbing all values. So here we can take a separate loop for pointer, not combining to here. Okay. So yes, sir, there is a 9 technique because a pointer and array, there is a close concept here we can prove. So array and pointer is a closely concept. So now I close this file, write this program to your C++ not. So total 9 technique, 1D array we have to print help pointer and itself X. So array is a pointer and pointer work as an array. So we have to prove these techniques. Yes. So yes, close this file, yes, and then quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalagni, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.